For the past 6 years, a signal has been beaming towards Earth from 500 million light years away. It's not random, it's not chaotic, it's precise. Every 16.35 days, like clockwork, it sends a series of powerful radio bursts. It has done this for over 237 consecutive cycles, never missing a single one. Cosmic phenomena don't follow calendars. So, what is this signal, known as FRB 180,916? And why is it the only thing in the universe that seems to keep an appointment with us? In 2018, the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, or CHIME, began its mission. While designed to map cosmic hydrogen, it also started hunting for fast radio bursts, these mysterious, millisecond-long flashes of energy from deep space. In September of that year, CHIME picked up FRB 180,916, a brief, high-energy pulse from a distant galaxy. Then in October, another one from the exact same location. And another in December. As the data poured in, a stunning pattern emerged. All the bursts were happening within specific 4-day windows. By early 2019, the team confirmed it. These windows repeated every 16.35 days. Now, let's put that into perspective. We know of natural cosmic objects that repeat. Pulsars, for instance, are rotating neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. As they spin, these beams sweep across space like a lighthouse, and we detect them as regular pulses. But pulsars spin incredibly fast, repeating every few milliseconds to seconds. A 16.35-day period is just too long to be explained by simple rotation. What about binary star systems? Two stars orbiting each other can have periods that last for days, or even years. But the signal from FRB 180,916 comes from a single, precise point in the sky, and orbital mechanics don't produce such a clean, sharp on-off pattern. It's like a switch is being flipped on for 4 days, then turned off for 12. Dr. Kiyoshi Masui from the CHIME team put it best: "We've monitored this for over 2,000 days. The periodicity is undeniable. Nothing in our models of neutron stars, black holes, or stellar dynamics produces this pattern. This is the calendar problem. Natural processes don't operate on arbitrary schedules like 16.35 days. That number holds no special significance in physics or orbital mechanics. It's just a number, which is exactly what makes it so strange. A signal with a random seeming but perfectly consistent period is the perfect way to get noticed. So, where is this signal coming from? Astronomers have traced it back to a spiral galaxy named SDSS J015800.28+654253.0. It's about 500 million light years away. That means the signal we are receiving today started its journey when the most complex life on Earth was just beginning to crawl out of the oceans during the Cambrian era. Before the dinosaurs, before the continents took their modern shape, something in that galaxy started sending these bursts. If it's a natural event, it's an ancient one. If it's artificial, it's from a civilization that existed 500 million years ago. The energy involved is mind-boggling. Each millisecond-long burst unleashes the same amount of energy as 500 million suns. Over the past 6 years, the total energy output is more than our own sun will produce in 1,000 years. And here as a strange detail, the bursts are detected in a frequency range between 400 and 800 megahertz. That's very similar to the frequencies your cell phone uses. Is that just a coincidence? Looking closer, scientists have found that some bursts have an internal structure with patterns hidden within the patterns, lasting less than a millisecond. What could cause this? The leading natural explanation involves a magnetar type of neutron star with an incredibly powerful magnetic field. Perhaps this magnetar is wobbling or precessing on a 16.35-day cycle, and its beam only points towards Earth during the 4-day active window. But no magnetar we've ever observed has a wobble this low and stable. And it doesn't quite explain the clean on-off nature of the signal. Another idea is a binary system where a magnetar orbits another object, like a black hole or another star. The bursts could be triggered when the two get close in their orbit. But again, no companion has been detected, and the signal pattern doesn't quite fit. This leaves us with the most tantalizing possibility of all: alien technology. One theory suggests it's an extraterrestrial lighthouse. An advanced civilization might be beaming energy across the galaxy, and as their planet or station rotates every 16.35 days, the beam sweeps past Earth for 4 days at a time. Another idea is that it's a deliberate beacon, designed to be found. The strange period, the immense power it has, exactly the kind of signal you would create if you wanted to announce your presence across the cosmos. The energy levels are consistent with what we'd expect from a Kardashev Type II civilization, one capable of harnessing the entire energy output of its home star. Of course, we have to be skeptical. Scientists from the SETI Institute and Breakthrough Listen have analyzed the signal for years, searching for encoded information, but they haven't found any clear, intelligent message. And a comms razor, the principle that the simplest explanation is usually the best, still favors a natural cause, even if it's one we don't understand yet. The universe is full of things that were once mysterious. When pulsars were first discovered, they were nicknamed LGM-1 for little green men. FRB 180,916 could simply be a new, undiscovered class of astrophysical object. As of early 2026, the watch continues. The latest data published in Nature Astronomy confirms 237 consecutive cycles with 0 deviation. It's the most reliable repeating signal we've ever seen. The next active window is expected between February 2nd and 6th, and telescopes around the world will be pointed at that spot in the sky, hoping to see if the pattern finally changes or breaks. New observatories like the Square Kilometer Array, coming online soon, will give us a view 100 times clearer than we have now. Every 16.35 days, something 500 million light-years away speaks. It has never missed its appointment. Is it a star with physics we've never imagined? A cosmic dance we've never witnessed? Or is it a message, patiently waiting to be understood? We don't know yet, but we are listening. Waiting for the pattern to finally make sense. Because somewhere out there, something is counting to 16 over and over again. The universe is trying to tell us something. We just need to learn the language. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I do, consider subscribing for more journeys into the unknown.